Hi everybody, how are you? This is Taro Farah. Today I have something exciting. Okay, I have many people who have asked me that how do we do positive affirmations? How does positive affirmation work? What kind of positive affirmation should I be saying all the time just to make me feel happy or to make me come out of the negative zone? I understand, sometimes when we are going through a rough period in our life and we just need some motivation, but we just don't know what to do, it's a bit hard, right, to think all of a sudden what is going to work for me. So here I have a solution. I have found these beautiful cards. It's called self care cards. It's easily available on Amazon. All right. All you have to do is, first of all, some basics are required. So you need to be in a space where you're not disturbed. All right. Little bit of meditation before selecting the cards would be advisable, so that you connect with the universe, right? You can just give yourself 5 minutes, just close your eyes, deep breathing. All right. And when you feel a bit, you feel that you feel calm, basically, that is when you just draw out these cards. You can also give it you can just talk to them. You can say that, please, uh, help me, what is the positive affirmation for the day, could you just guide me? And you can just, I shuffle them. You could shuffle them, you could not. Of course, if you shuffle it, it would be better. Otherwise you might be ending up drawing the same card again and again. So yeah. So let us see what is the positive affirmation message. All right, let me draw for myself. I radiate confidence, grace, and poise in every situation I encounter. Very true. Okay. It's not that I don't go through my situation, but I have learned to, become confident in most difficult situations. I have learned to, bring poise and grace in whatever I do. And I do resonate with this affirmation, right? Now, that's about me. Let's see what's the positive affirmation for you. So while I shuffle the cards, you could also just, ask the divine to select the right message for you. Self-care message. Let's see what is it. So these are basically, just to make you comfortable, just to give you that pep talk, whenever you feel low in energy. After all, we are humans, we are not robots that we have no emotions. We all go through our ups and downs in life. And if at all you are able to, work it out through some cards giving you some motivation or positive affirmations, then why not, right? So let's see what is the message for my dear viewers here. I am at peace with my past. Okay. So basically, something must have happened in your past and you have learned to control your emotions. So if you're feeling uncomfortable about certain situation, you know, you just have to, it's all going to be okay. It's all going to be okay. I am deserving of love, respect, and kindness. Of course, you are. Right? You have to keep saying this. I'm choosing 3 cards for you. You can just reverse, pause, whatever. You can keep chanting it till I come with my next video. So it says, I am deserving of love, respect, and kindness. Absolutely, you do, right? You do deserve love, kindness, respect. I stand up for what I believe in. Again, stand up for what you believe in. Actually, that goes with me as well. I can also resonate it, resonate with the message. Cool. So, my dear friends, these are the three messages for you for this week. All right, till we meet again. I'll repeat it. I am at peace with my past. I am deserving of love, respect, and kindness. I stand up for what I believe in. Keep saying it till you believe in it. Till you feel comfortable, till you feel happy. Whatever emotions, whatever negativity is going on, say these messages. You will feel better because you are the best version of yourself. And you don't need to change yourself for anybody. You don't need to change your emotions for anybody. You should be happy in who you are, in what you want to be, and what you think of your life should be, right? On that note, my dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video clip. And if you liked it, I would appreciate a little bit of love and sharing my videos, my reels. All right. And if you want to have a tarot session with me, more than welcome. On that note, good day. Bye. Take care. God bless. Till we meet again.